Kigomano-ini kia atongoria a urumwe wa gitaru kia Afrika kiria kirekika bururi-ini wa Rwanda nikuo passport ino njeru irugoririo.
The unity of our continent with an emphasis on integration among other things should never be subject to preconditions or exceptions.
Kuringana na muikariri giti wa ngwataniro yo Nkosazana Dlamini Zuma, passport ino irugoritio thutha wa muingi wa Afrika kuhoya na njira nene mahotithio gucera mabũrũri-inĩ mangĩ hatari ihĩngĩca.
But I must say that we have had overwhelming requests, inquiries from other ministers, from officials, from African citizens who want to share in this privilege of holding an African passport.
Dlamini Zuma na President Paul Kagame niyo mauma mbere kwamukira passport yo na thutha ucio thirikari ciheo wira wa kuhe aria maracienda.
It will actually completely remove the requirement for visas in all the 54 African countries. So it's a momentous occasion. And we hope that with the experience we have as the pioneers, if you like, of using this document, that then we can start rolling it out.
Passport ino ni kuhingurira aikari aingi kanya ga kuonjorithia mabũrũri-inĩ mangĩ kuruta wira kuo o hamwe na gucera hatari na kugieka ta hau gabere. Ngiribotera metha ya wonjoria, njitagwo Njuguna Wang'ang'a.